Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your creator account and that extensions are enabled for your channel. This gives you access to install. Next, open Twitch and go to Creator Dashboard, then click Extensions to enter the marketplace. Once there, decide which extension type you need: panel for static content, overlay for stream graphics, or component for interactive video elements, because that determines positioning and permissions during setup. You now install and configure. Search the marketplace for the extension, click Install, and choose a version if there are options. After installation, open the configuration area to set permissions, select channel placement zones, and add any required API keys or account links. Once configured, use Preview or a private test broadcast to confirm visuals and interactivity work. Make sure to save and publish the configuration. You finish by publishing the extension so it becomes active on your channel. Publishing pushes settings to live viewers. Then monitor engagement and performance via dashboard insights to confirm it behaves as expected and doesn't impact stream health. If something fails, first disable the extension, clear browser cache, and reauthorize any linked accounts. If that doesn't fix it, reinstall or contact the extension developer for support. This step prevents long stream interruptions and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.